pain in my chest that I can't describe. It takes me down and leaves me there. When I talk to the night, I can feel it stare. It creeps inside and meets me there. At least I'm alive. At least I'd rather be.